How you doing? Your driver's license, insurance? Can you step out for me, please, sir? You leave your cigarette on the inside, please? Okay. How you doing tonight?
Pretty good. Was I doing something wrong?
Yes, sir. I didn't see a seatbelt on when you come through the light there.
I just got the waist ones.
Okay.
I mean, I got things on the top one, but I ain't found them for this car yet. But I got the waist seatbelt.
Okay. Still living in Bon Air?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I figured you'd have one of them antique tags on this thing.
No.
Okay. Where are you coming from tonight?
Friend's house over here. You know where the racetrack is, the old racetrack, and that new trailer park they put on the other side?
Mm-hmm. Down over there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any violations or restrictions on your driver's license?
Not on my driver's license, sir.
Okay. All right.
And that insurance, I just did it last week.
I was going to say, it's just a binder. You haven't been consuming any alcohol tonight?
No, sir.
How long has it been since you consumed any?
I don't drink.
You don't drink?
No, I got a DUI when I got divorced, and that's the last time I drank, sir.
When was that?
3.5 years ago.
That's been a while then.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, if you wait in your vehicle, I'll be back with you just a minute, okay?
Trying to contact you. Wait a minute, what did I contact you? What's convenient for that's fine. I'll be around. From 774 San 98. Zero dispatch. Zero, go ahead. 1027-29 through Georgia, please. Go ahead. Last name is Dwight, David, William, Ida, George, Henry, Tom. First name is Gary with a G. Middle name is Bernard, 072865, 072865, please. 6. Business Thomas Eugene, out of Bon Air, Class C valid. Expiration 03/11 of 99, 1074, 1029. Right. Reported dispatch up to 1076 from the ER back 400. North to south. Who's up north to south? Is it down? There's going to be a recently finished solid.
Sir, you want to step out for me? Checking your license through the computer, they tell me that you don't have any violations or restrictions on them.
Yes, sir.
Nothing that would keep you from driving. So what I did was write you a warning ticket, like I told you. It don't cost you nothing.
Oh, okay.
It don't go on your record. You ain't got to pay no fines. That's your copy. You know, you ain't got to appear in court, nothing like that.
Like I said, I got waist belt secret, seatbelts. I haven't been able to track none down. What would I?
I don't know if you could acquire one from a junkyard or something like that or not. I really don't know.
Okay.
I don't know anybody that
Well,
would have
that's
that
what I've been checking. It's hard to. This model here, they didn't even sell the molds.
Really?
Yeah.
They got rid of everything, huh?
Well, there's supposed to be a couple warehouses. This one Barracuda person told me, and it's a Chrysler Club out in California that has all unsold parts from back then.
You ever try the J.C. Whitney book? You think they would have?
Yeah, I tried them. I tried that place up in Atlanta. I got some numbers up north, some big places. And every place told me nobody has the molds for this one. So it's worth a lot. It's worth damn about $12,000 as is.
Is that right?
Yeah. So when you get 25, you get it restored.
Oh, is that what it is?
It's hard to find parts for it.
I guess so.
See, I got things in there. It's two separate units. You got the ones come out of the floor, and you got the one over there. And I don't got the stuff that goes on the inside, the belt and all.
I don't know if you could acquire something else to rig it up or not. It'd probably be best not to do it because
the law state that I have
to be buckled in.
But since you couldn't see the seat belt.
But I just anticipated that it should have had the shoulder strap along with it.
Okay. So if I was to get stopped again,
stay in the vehicle. You keep it buckled up.
And keep it buckled up and show.
Let him come up and see you. Okay. Let me ask you something here before you go on. And of course, I'm certainly not accusing you of being part of this activity if you're not, okay? But here in the county, I come in contact with vehicles and people that are transporting contraband. Are you familiar with what contraband is?
Yeah, I know, sir.
Guns?
And, a year ago, I got in some trouble. No, I'm not, sir.
You didn't carry anything illegal?
No.
No kind of guns, drugs, stolen property?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you mind if I search you real quick for contraband?
Search me.
The vehicle? And well, yeah, you in the vehicle. You're the only one in it. Is there anybody else in there besides you?
You can look, no, sir.
Okay. Do you have anything on you? Any needles, knives, razor blades, anything like that?
No,
I don't
I
want
have
to get
one knife.
Okay, I'll put that on your dash.
And I just got that from person. I don't know if that's illegal.
No. Switchblade is, but that's not. That's a butterfly knife. What all do you have in your other pockets? Key, money. Okay, don't want that. I don't need your money. No razor blades in here, nothing like that, do you? Oop. Drop that key again, drop the quarter. How much money do you have?
Oh, about 650.
Okay.
That's here.
What is this bill for?
I think it's a painkiller.
How come it ain't in the bottle?
Because I don't have a bottle no more. Actually, I got it from a girlfriend.
Don't want to lose that key, whatever it belongs to. Okay. Anything else in these pockets?
This is how.
Okay. What is this in here? Oh, there goes that key and that quarter again. Oh, you got something in there. Pull it out.
No, sir. Okay.
Don't argue with me. Don't fight with me, okay? Put your arm behind your back right now.